Okay, we're just going to continue our paraphrasing and summarizing lesson. Okay, Evan, let's continue. All right. So now you watched me. We did some together. Now I think you're ready to try doing some of these phrases on your own. Okay, so to remember to read the phrase, put the phrase in a sentence, and think of synonyms to use in place of those words in the phrase. And then you need to check if your paraphrase meets these criteria. Correct, own words, and make sense. Okay. Do you think you'd rather write on the worksheet, or would you like to use the whiteboard?
Worksheet.
You want to do the worksheet. Okay.
I'm used to doing it like that. Okay.
Well, actually, why don't we have you use the whiteboard to write your sentence? Okay? Or you can do it on the paper, whatever's easiest for you, because you're going to be doing these on your own.
Okay.
Now, why don't you have a look at these words here first? Read through them. See, is there any words there that you don't know what they mean? I can tell you what they mean before we start. It's important you know what they mean, or it's really hard to find synonyms. Swift. Do you know what swift means?
Swiffermont?
No, not a swiffermont. Swift would mean rapid, fast. Okay? Any other words here that you're unsure?
Shrub.
Shrub is like a bush.
Okay.
Any others? How about the last one?
A drink. That'd be better.
Yeah, okay. All right, so I think you're good. I think you're good to go ahead.
Okay.
All right, so you can go ahead and either write them here or on the whiteboard. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay, and so when you finish paraphrasing the 5 phrases here, I'm going to collect your paper. I'll give you a grade for the day, and you can earn up to 5 points. See, you get the points right over here. So you get 1 point for each phrase. In order to earn credit for an item, your phrase must have the same meaning as the original phrase. So it needs to be correct, it needs to be mostly your own words, and it needs to make sense, okay?
Okay. Oh, Mom, I still need to eat.
Let's say, so why don't you go ahead and start? Okay, remember we're being taped here.
I forgot.
All right, so just keep working, and I'll check them when you're done. Looks like you're getting the right idea, though. I like what I'm seeing.
Do they gotta be spelled correct?
Do your best. I'm not going to take out points for misspelling. Okay, are you finished then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so let's just do a quick review before we finish. So let's, we learned about paraphrasing phrases today. So let's just review what a phrase is. Remember what a phrase is?
Yeah.
These are all examples of phrases on this worksheet. Okay, they're a group of words, right, that mean something. So it's not just one word, and it's not a whole sentence or a whole paragraph. That's just a few words. Okay? And so what are the 3 characteristics of a good paraphrase?
Correct.
I know you know this.
Own words, it makes sense.
Okay, excellent. And so, Evan, how do you think paraphrasing phrases might help you?
To be a better reader.
A good reader's paraphrase. And also, sometimes it's easier to start with phrases or words before we do whole sentences or whole paragraphs. If we break things into smaller parts, it's usually a little easier that way. Okay? All right, so during our next lesson, we may be doing some more paraphrasing phrases, or we may be moving on to sentences, okay? So once you show you can do this, we're going to move on to sentences. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.